Profession. Number of passports. Permanent address. Signature. Please, take my luggage to my room. At what time is? Breakfast. Lunch, dinner. Can I have breakfast in my room? Where's the dining room, bathroom? Do you sell postcards and stamps? I need more. Pillow. Blanket. Towel. If someone asks about me, say that I will be here. At 3 o'clock. That I'm not here. Give me my key, please. Is there any mail for me? What is the current voltage here? I want to wash the laundry. I wanted to make a phone call. Call this number. How much?